Welcome to our SSR tutorials. In this video, I want to show the 10th class most important biology questions. 1 mark, 2 marks, 4 marks and 8 marks with diagrams. Practice these questions to get good marks in SSC public exam. 1 mark questions. Equation based questions. Logo based questions. Abbreviations. Scientist. Instrument based. Based questions. Data based questions. Identification 1 or 2 marks. 2 marks questions. Definitions. Asking questions. Food habits or suggestions to avoid constipation. Suggestions for preventing edema. Good habits for proper functioning of kidneys. Suggestions for controlling high blood pressure. 2 marks questions. Asking questions to pulmonologist. 2 or 4 marks questions. Difference. Light reaction and dark reaction. Slogans. Nutrition deficiency, etc. Slogans, suggestions, precautions. Advices. Avoid constipation and edema. Hypothesis. Examples: vestigial organs, renewable and non-renewable resources. Why deep sea divers carried oxygen cylinder? If we keep on increasing carbon dioxide, what will be the rate? 4 marks questions. Difference based questions. Process based questions. Table based questions. Diagram based questions. Day-to-day life precautions. 8 marks questions. Experiment based questions. Process, flowcharts and differences. 8 marks questions. Mendeleev's monohybridization. Mechanism of differences. 8 marks. Photosynthesis, respiration. Important diagrams. Yes, students, practice this all questions to get good marks in biology. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.